And it's Big P. I'm back on another transit ride along. Before we begin this video, let's go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Let's get that algorithm going. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click on notifications so you can be notified when I upload new content. Also, please leave a comment. I do like reading comments, and if you have a request for a video, leave it in the comments as well. Today, something I've always wanted to ride, but today we're going to be riding the Como-Harriet Streetcar. It's a heritage streetcar line. For those of you in the transit history, this is along the former right-of-way of the Twin Cities Rapid Transit Company, which was huge back in its day, but it's all gone. So we're going to head over there, and then I will see you on the other side of the street. There it is. Hello.
Want to ride?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we don't sell tokens here, but when you get to the station, you can buy your token then.
Okay. Oh, this is a PCC car. Hello.
All right, thanks for riding. Today we're driving car number 322. This is a PCC car. It was built in 1946. Started running in the Twin Cities in 1947. It was part of a modernization effort that got going after the war, trying to attract new passengers, hold on to the old ones, keep them from abandoning the system for their own cars. We know pretty much how that turned out. But these cars were technically pretty good. They were designed to accelerate quickly and smoothly so that they wouldn't throw standing passengers around. When they do that, this design was generally arrived at in the 1930s. So a bunch of streetcar companies got together and came up with a standard design that we could manufacture essentially in mass production. And so these streetcars were relatively cheap to build at the time compared to what they would have been if they had been all custom, as is typically the case now. And there were thousands of these cars ran all over the U.S. and many thousands more were manufactured under license elsewhere in the world. And I don't know, I had a trip to Romania in 1998 when we rode many different kinds of transit. And the most comfortable riding cars were some old German PCC cars. They looked just like, they looked like Honey, I Shrunk PCC cars. It was the same design, only smaller. And they were the smoothest riding things. So that was my experience with that. Anyway, we'll be heading back to Minneapolis. We'll go through the station, up to our car barn, and then back down the hill up to the station on the side. On the platform back. When we get there, please exit by the rear door. Thank you.
If you go to Boston or San Francisco, these are still in normal operation.
Yeah, that's correct.
Yeah, I rode both of them.
Yeah, lots of our cars started out, in 1954, 53. They sold off all the PCC cars because they were pretty new and first. This one
line is, I rode that one too many times. pay, and then we're gonna go back to where we picked it up. So yeah, I will be right back. like that. It's an old-fashioned fare box. And we'll go right back to where we picked it up. So, we'll see with the road, so enjoy the ride.
And keep arms and other people within the vehicle. If there's brush and stuff out there that could hurt you.
Thank you.
Thanks for riding.
And that will do it for this video. We rode the Como-Harriet Heritage Streetcar line. That will do it for this video. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Take care.